guys, welcome back on my channel. I am Mr. Kankaya, and today I won't be going somewhere or traveling. Today I will just gonna show you how to make a specific dish. Today I will make the double cheeseburger dish, homemade, with my own recipe. And yeah, before I will just start to cook, I will show you the preparation. So we've got beef, as well as the hamburger bread. And I also got some more beef, because I'm making for 3 persons. We've also got some cheddar cheese and salad, of course. You can also include onion as well as tomatoes. I forgot to bought them, so I will just make them like this. Before we start anything, we will go with the burger sauce. I do it myself too. Ketchup. We need some mayonnaise. I use the German product, and some mustard. So just gonna start off with putting some mustard in, just a little bit. And this one is also some mustard. Looks like that. Yeah, in the sauce you can also put some onion after you cut them very small. Start with ketchup. Go with 1 spoon. You always have to make it in the same amount. So if you have 1 spoon of ketchup, you also need 1 spoon of mayonnaise. 2 spoons, 3 spoons, 4 spoons. Let's see if this will be enough. 1 spoon, 2 spoon, 3 spoon, 4 spoon. After, you will just go and mix it. So we get like kind of a orange color. Like I said before, you can put some small onion pieces inside it to have more flavor. So I know this won't be enough for 4 burgers, so I'll put some more. 2 spoons. Okay, mix that again. So now we got that. We're gonna go and add some salt. I just put in a bit, just a little bit, a pinch of salt, as well as some black pepper. But you can also leave the salt and pepper out if you don't like to. If you want a bit more sweet, you can also add some honey. Or if you have other sauce in the fridge, for example, the mango sauce, you can mix that in. So that's the sauce, basically. And I'm gonna put that away on the side. And I'm gonna go and start prepare our meat. So for that, because it's homemade, actually you need a grill, but I'm just gonna go and use a pan. It's not the best way to make it, but it's an easy way. So we're just gonna go show the pan. So this is the pan. And then we need, of course, some oil. So mix that around. Okay. You also now go and start it. Start with the heat, very hot. always give you the tip of holding your head above the pan, and if you feel like it's very hot, it should be hot enough to start cooking. Because it should be hot enough, go and start. Put in the meat. I always use the pan. Large enough to put 2 meat if you want to do a double cheese or a double hamburger. What I also forgot now and just realized is to season the meat. Just realized that. For that you will use salt and black pepper too. But what I like to use for myself is pepper to give the unique taste, extra taste. But if you don't like to, you just use the salt and the pepper. It should be enough too. Yeah, this should be it. So, and for frying, you will fry each side 3 minutes. Always don't forget to give some pressure. So since we are still waiting until it's done with one side, I will go and show you the season that I actually forgot in the first place, but it's okay. I'll just annoy this one. As I said, you will season both sides, of course. So again, you use the pepper, you're gonna put here. Don't do too much on it. So that's the pepper. And I like to put some pepper on it. To give it a unique taste. Okay. Now of course I need to go and turn around. And do the same here. So now back to the frying. So now 3 minutes are done. Now you can first go and turn around. And give it another 3 minutes for this side. So here, the same thing like the before, give it some pressure. I'm going to just go and let it fry first. And of course you can also speed up the process. If you just do the pressure all the time, maybe you just need 2 minutes instead of 3 minutes, just because you give the more heatness onto the meat. just in case, because I did it. Yeah. Put the meat this way now. So it should be almost be done. Okay, 3 minutes are over again. Now we turn around and see if it's already done. So because I put the pepper seasoning, it has that kind of color to it. But this looks like done. So I'm gonna do the other side, just because this side isn't done as well as the another one. I'll put here another 1 minute with pressure. And because of the much oil of it, the burger, the meat will be very juicy. So if you don't want it that juicy, just put less oil. Okay, let's see if it's done. So now it's done, guys. Should be done. Should be good enough. Okay, the color. Maybe this one a bit longer. Yes, this should be now done. So then first I will go and take out the meat, put it on another plate or wooden plate. So I'll show you now the preparation for the burger. This is how it looks like. Just gonna put it here first. We will go and take the burger bread. Use the side where you want to put in the meat and put that into the pan too. But if you don't want to, you can't. You don't need to. But that's just how it will get juicy. Don't put it too much into the oil, more in the middle, because the oil is on the side. Let it fry a bit. Then it will look like this. More of the crisp. Put it here. So now we will start with the, I don't know, whatever you want to start with. I will just start with the salad. Go and put the salad on it. Don't forget to wash it, of course. That's not the best I've made, but no. Now you can go and put a burger sauce on it, on the salad. Put as much as you want to. Or if you don't like the burger sauce, put the ketchup, mayonnaise, whatever you want. Now comes the meat. Go put on the meat. We'll show you the reason now. Put it right in the middle. Yeah. The sauce will keep it there. And now you're gonna go and put the cheese on it. The reason for that is the meat is still warm, pretty hot. So after you put the cheddar cheese on it, it will melt instantly. So you get a nice cheesy cheese. After that, you can of course go and put again the sauce if you like to, or you can put salad. I will now go and this time put the sauce on it. And go again, put some salad on top of it. And go and put the next bit of meat on it. So now it's got a double, because it's a double cheese. And go and put the next piece of cheese on it. Right here. Perfect. And now at the end, you know the frying pan is still hot. Use the top of the bread, this side, and go put it right in the middle. Let it fry it too as well. Go again for 6 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Maybe a bit into the oil. Now it's the crisp on it. So now go and put again a bit of sauce if you like to. If not, then it's okay. And put a nice crisp bread on the burger. Squeeze the burger a bit. So guys, this should be enough. Should be done for the one burger. I'll go put the next meat. What I do a bit more. Alright, that's the end result of the burger. So I wash my hands for a second. Hey guys, this will be the burger. This is how it will look like. Not the best looking one, but of course it should be juicy and delicious. This is how the frying will be. Can you take it? And this is how it looks like. Yes. Can you take a bite out of it? So she will go and take a bite out of it. Thank you. Okay. Okay, show me the inside, please. This is how the inside will kind of look like if it's more. How does it taste?
It tastes awesome.
Awesome.
It's amazing.
Okay, pretty much the end of this video. I thank you for watching this video and like and subscribe for more food preparation. Maybe the next one would be something with a salmon and spinach. It would be pretty interesting. And yeah, thank you very much. And I see you in the next video. Bye.